10-day shipping, and it's finally here. Yes! Hello and welcome to our channel. I am making a separate video for the unboxing of the electric AC compressor for the 2015 BMW i8. That way, when we do the actual replacement later, I can focus more on the step-by-step process of the replacement and no unnecessary distractions. What makes this unboxing special is that I bought the replacement AC compressor from Aliexpress, which we all know is the Chinese version of eBay and Amazon. Now I know a lot of people out there are going to criticize me for buying Chinese parts, but before you do, hear me out. Germans have great products, we agree. Chinese products used to be bad. When, emphasis on when, they were Chinese designed. Nowadays, German design products, but they do not manufacture them. BMW parts like this AC compressor are either made in Turkey, Portugal, Singapore, and in this case, Hong Kong. The Chinese made a wise decision in ditching designing products and just copying it directly from Germans. Plus, focus on manufacturing and in improving the quality of plastics and metallurgy of the materials used in their products. So eliminate the design cost, lower the labor cost, and now you have a lower priced product. Almost everything is manufactured in China because we cannot compete with their labor cost. And they have vastly improved their quality control to compete with international markets. So this AC compressor may be made in Hong Kong, but it is German designed for a German vehicle. And with a 1-year warranty, which I hope I never have to use, I decided to take the risk. At 1/3 the price, it is worth the gamble. And this product also has the most recent revision number, which means this version should not have the grenading issue like the previous model. And if successful, we're going to save a lot of i8 owners a ton of money from a replacement compressor part. And if it fails, then we're just going to laugh about it, at my expense. And as someone told me recently, you learn more from your failures than from your success, so do not be afraid to fail. But if you're still not convinced, think of Apple products. On the packaging of Apple products, it says it's designed in California. But if you look closer, it would say made in China. And Apple has the highest quality standards. So if products from China are bad, Apple wouldn't manufacture from them. So let's get over the stigma that Chinese products are low quality. That's not the case anymore. But we're going off tangent, I apologize. Let's continue with our unpackaging. And without further ado, let me get my cutter, turn on our top view camera for a more immersed experience. All right, turned on. Opening the box. Here we go. So excited. Take out the styrofoam. Recording. You're seeing this? I'm gonna do a split screen over here to show you what's going on. And there is our new electric AC compressor. Oh my god, it's heavy. Second. There it is. Oops. Move this out of the way. Ta-da! Our very generic electric AC compressor from China. Let's see what we can find. So I guess this is it. No packing receipt, no nothing, no instructions. Compressor is very generic, not even a brand or sticker on it. So I moved the camera a little closer for our unplasticking. Should we do some ASMR? Hear the plastic opening. And there you go. Very generic compressor. No labels, no stickers on it. Not even where it's made. We see the bottom. Nope. And there's no receipt or packaging, anything in the box. And there's our new electric AC compressor. So I guess we got exactly what we ordered from Aliexpress, a generic electric AC compressor for our 2015 BMW i8. No frills, no trills, and hopefully no surprises. So I'll see you in the installation, okay? Wish me luck. And as always, thank you for watching. Now here's the AC port or AC valve for the AC system. So just take out the cover so we can try to put some Freon or refrigerant on it. Now surprisingly, I have both R1234YF and 134A, and I'm surprised that this still takes 134A, because on the compressor it says it takes both, but surprisingly it latches with the connector for the 134A, because technically which port connects to the valve is what it would take. So this wouldn't fit in, but the 134A fits. Okay, what I'm actually optimistically hoping for is that when we add refrigerant in the AC system, the AC compressor would have load and it would quiet down when running, because with load it shouldn't be running as fast as it is running right now. So let's see if adding additional load would quiet down the AC compressor. Well, the pin is vibrating. I guess that's not a good sign. Let's check inside. Unfortunately, the AC is still not getting cold and the compressor is still loud, so I do think that the compressor is actually shot. Oh well, it was worth a try.